Everyone, in this video we are going to learn how we can configure the DHCP. Okay, how we can configure the DHCP in Cisco router. So I will take one router, I will take one switch here, you can see here, and then I will take some computer. Let me take some computer here, and then we are going to connect. So let me connect here. I will connect this here, I will connect this here, and then from here to here I will connect. And here we are planning to give the IP. I will give here 192.168.1.1. This will be the gateway. And now we are going to do the configuration. So this is a R1 we can say. And let me take the CLI. Let me move this topology here. And I will take the CLI of the router. Let me write here. I will write here no. Then enable config T host name R1, and then I will write interface F0 by 0. I will write here IP address 192.168.1.1. give space 255.255.255.0. we will write no shut. Okay, this way we assign the IP. Now I need to write IP DHCP pool ABC, and here I need to define what network I want to give. Example, I want to give 1.0.255. This is a subnet mask I want to give, and default router means the gateway will be 1.1. and if you want to exclude some IP, I will write IP DHCP exclude, and I can write I want to exclude this IP 1.1. That's all. This is a DHCP configuration in the Cisco router. Now we can test. We will open this PC and we will check it is working or not. I will click here and you can see here it is working. This machine is getting the IP. Same thing I will do here. Let's see it is getting the IP or not. It is also getting the IP. Let me do again here same thing. I will go here, I will do here. Let's see we are getting the IP or not. So if you see all the machines are getting the IP, it is working perfectly. So this way you can configure the DHCP. I hope you understand.